Right now, humanity possesses a map of the Martian surface that is 250 times more detailed than the map of our own ocean floor. Mars is 140 million miles away. The abyss directly below us? Just 7 miles down. It completely defies logic. We can photograph a rover the size of a microwave on an alien world, yet over 75% of our own seabed remains entirely unmapped, plunged in absolute, terrifying darkness. Oceanographers and astrophysicists are deeply divided on what is actually hiding down there, but the physics preventing us from looking are brutal. And the answer to why looking up is easier than looking down demands an explanation. To understand this, we need to look at how we map the cosmos. Satellites rely on electromagnetic radiation, light, radar, and radio waves, traveling effortlessly through the vacuum of space. We have mapped the Moon and Mars with pinpoint laser altimetry. But water? Water is fundamentally hostile to this. It swallows light and radio waves instantly. Drop a satellite beam into the Pacific, and it vanishes within feet. This is where things get strange, because to see the bottom, we had to rely on sound. And what the sound bounced back off of? Well, it should not exist. Before we dive into the chilling anomalies we did find in the dark, make sure you hit that follow button. What I am about to reveal next about the alien worlds lurking on our own planet is exactly why thousands of truth seekers are joining Deep Space Secrets every single day. Stay with me here, because what comes next changes everything. Let us rewind to 1977. Scientists aboard the submersible Alvin descended 8,000 feet into the Galapagos Rift. They expected to find a dead, freezing wasteland. Instead, their instruments picked up impossible temperature spikes. Through the pitch-black water, they found towering hydrothermal vents spewing toxic, superheated chemicals. But here is where it gets crazy. Swarming around these toxic vents were massive tube worms and blind crabs. Life, thriving in an environment so extreme it violated every known law of biology. If life could exist here, without the sun, what else was hiding in the 75% we have not seen? The reason we do not know is the true villain of this story. Pressure. Space is a vacuum, 0 atmospheres of pressure. Keeping a spacecraft from exploding outward is engineering 101. But the bottom of the Mariana Trench? It crushes inward with over 15,000 pounds per square inch. Imagine having 50 jumbo jets stacked directly on top of your body. Scientists around the world are now realizing that engineering a probe to survive the deep ocean is actually far more difficult and expensive than sending one to the vacuum of space. The ocean is a perfect, impenetrable shield. But wait. Just when you thought you understood the limits of our planet, new data flips the script. In recent years, deep-water hydrophones have captured massive, unidentified acoustic anomalies, low-frequency sounds originating from the deep that do not match any known geological or biological source. Competing theories are erupting in the scientific community. Are these undiscovered tectonic shifts? The echoes of subterranean oceans? Or, as some controversial biologists suggest, are we hearing the movements of deep-sea megafauna that have evaded detection for millions of years? I genuinely want to know what you think. We have 3 main theories for what is hiding in the deepest, unmapped trenches of Earth. 1. The literal origin point of all biological life. 2. Massive, undiscovered species that outlived the dinosaurs. Or 3. Ancient, unexplainable geological formations. Drop your wildest theories in the comments below right now. Which one do you believe? I read every single comment, and your insights might just be the spark for our next investigation. By the end of this video, you will understand why this mystery extends far beyond Earth. This affects how we see our place in the universe. If life can thrive in the crushing, sunless abyss of our oceans, feeding on toxic chemicals, it changes the entire blueprint for astrobiology. It means the frozen, subsurface oceans of Jupiter's moon Europa, or Saturn's moon Enceladus, are not just cold, dead worlds. They are the most likely places to find extraterrestrial life. NASA and marine biologists are now teaming up, using the deep ocean as a literal training ground for alien exploration. The secrets of the cosmos are locked right here, in the abyss. But we are not giving up. We are on the brink of a new era of discovery. An international initiative known as Seabed 2030 has launched with a singular, incredibly ambitious goal, to map 100% of the Earth's ocean floor by the end of the decade. They are deploying fleets of autonomous, AI-driven drones. These robotic submarines communicate in swarms, using advanced multi-beam sonar to paint the dark floor with sound, millimeter by millimeter. We are finally peeling back the curtain. Think about the implications. Every new map brings the potential for discovering entirely new ecosystems, sunken history, or chemical compounds that could revolutionize science. We are building vessels constructed from new titanium alloys and specialized glass spheres, designed to withstand the crushing jaws of the abyss. The dark ages of our oceans are coming to an end. Soon, the blue planet will truly be known to us. But as we illuminate the deep, we must prepare ourselves for what might be looking back. But this is not the only cosmic mystery hiding right under our noses. Next week, we are exposing what the James Webb Space Telescope just spotted inside the ice plumes of Enceladus, a discovery that has NASA scrambling. And in another upcoming video, we are diving into the classified acoustic anomalies picked up beneath Antarctica. You will not want to miss either of them. Thank you for exploring the unknown with us today. Remember, whether we are looking 140 million miles into the void of Mars, or plunging 7 miles into the pitch-black abyss of our own oceans, the pursuit of truth never stops. The universe is full of secrets, and we are just getting started. Stay curious, keep looking up.